Hello everyone, welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today you'll learn how to write a request for investment portfolio letter. This letter is a formal communication typically sent to a financial advisor or investment firm asking for a detailed summary of your current investment holdings and any strategic recommendations. It's a professional way to stay informed and make smart decisions about your financial future. You begin your letter by including your name, address, contact details, and the date. Then, you address it to your investment manager by name and company details. In the subject line, you clearly state the purpose, a request for your investment portfolio summary. You open the letter formally with Dear Mr. Miss. Last name, setting a professional tone for the message that follows. After that, write, I hope this letter finds you well. I am writing to formally request a comprehensive summary of my current investment portfolio managed by your firm. I would appreciate details regarding asset allocation, recent performance metrics, and any recommended adjustments based on current market conditions. This information will greatly assist me in evaluating my financial position and planning for upcoming investment decisions. Please send the portfolio summary to my email at your earliest convenience. Should you require any verification or additional documentation, feel free to reach out. Thank you for your continued support. Sincerely, your signature, your full name. Here's our sample request for investment portfolio letter. You'll notice how it clearly outlines the request for a detailed portfolio summary, maintains a respectful and professional tone, and expresses the need for updated financial information. The letter's clear structure helps ensure a timely and informed response from your investment manager. And with that, I conclude today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on writing clear and effective financial and business letters.